Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Streetlight Manifesto. We are going to react to the song Better Place, Better Time. This is our first time listening.
Before we start, I must say that this was the only version that we could find which was licensed to YouTube.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the studio album version and anything else we could find, even lyric videos were not available. So we are using this because this is the first request of this patron. His name is Jeff Shin, a new patron. So this is the only version we are using, though we do have the lyrics ready on our computer screen, so that should help. The patron also mentioned, and I must mention it because we are very honest and open about such things. We usually never do research about songs because we like to give a really open, sincere, true review of the music we are requested to listen to by patrons and subscribers or friends. So in this case, we know it's an anti-suicide song, so that kind of ruins it a little for me.
Okay.
Not because it's an anti-suicide song, I'm very happy that it's an anti-suicide song.
But you already know the
But I already know the theme, so we don't like being told what this song is about. We don't mind looking like a fool, especially me. I love taking that position up where I look like a complete fool to the world out there. But I would rather be, listening to it the first time and understanding it for my own self rather than being told, okay, this is about this. But anyway, having said that, we will try to do justice to this song and the reaction. Hopefully it's got good lyrics.
Yeah. A bit reggae now.
Reminds me a lot of Sublime, Cake,
Yeah.
The Mavericks we heard recently for our
Yeah,
patron Christian.
Yeah.
It's fun, it's bubbly, it's cheerful, it's musical. There's so much richness in the music with the trumpet family. I always love when rock bands, it sounded like rock,
Yeah.
rock bands go the extra mile and add in these jazz instruments in their music, whether it's Chicago or whether it's Blues Traveler or whether it's, other bands that we hear. Of course, it also reminded me mostly of, since this was a live performance, Dave Matthews Band,
You can't top that.
But he's a class apart, isn't he?
Yeah.
He and his band members. Wow. So, something tells me these guys are definitely inspired by him.
But the first name that you took was so relevant, Sublime. That definitely reminded me of Sublime.
Yeah.
For sure.
They sound more modern though.
Yeah.
They the way they sing, the energy, the interaction with the crowd, etc. It sounded more modern. Not that the older bands didn't do that,
Yeah.
but something tells me it's quite recent. Yeah, definitely focusing on one main issue,
Yeah.
that don't give in, hang in there, stay put, tomorrow will be a better day. Just you see, don't give up, don't give in, without, hanging in there. It's a common strand of many poems, many movie themes, many TV show episodes, whether it's Seinfeld or Friends. Sometime or the other, some things come up. People say, don't give in, hang in there.
You can do it.
You can do it, whether it's The Waterboy or it's some other movie of Adam Sandler, Ben Stiller, or anyone else. Talking about Adam Sandler and Ben Stiller, one of the movies all you guys must see is Brad's Status.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not for the young folk, I would say, mainly, but for the married and the midlife crisis people.
Yeah, but I also think people who are
Young
younger
people
will
must
enjoy
watch
it, will like it.
Yeah. Yeah, they will like it.
Yeah,
They will
it's
also
a relatively unknown movie. I don't know, somehow it just slipped through and nobody really realized it was released.
Yeah.
And so hardly anyone I know has watched it, though they watch a lot of other movies that I've
There's
watched.
no glamour in it, that's why.
Yeah, and even The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, another good one.
That's
50
That's
First
amazing.
Dates,
Yeah.
Uncut Gems, Adam Sandler. Murder Mystery, although it didn't do too well at the box
It's
office.
okay, I found it okay.
Yeah, it was nice. Anyway, what do you have to say about the lyrics and the music?
First thing first, for the music and everything else, I'm looking forward to, after the reaction, I want to listen to the studio version or something, because I want to get the proper
Yeah,
experience
yeah.
of
We'll
listening to
do
it.
that. We'll do
Yeah,
that.
so I want to do
Obviously.
that. You can do that too. We only have limited options when it comes to reaction and what all we can use on YouTube, and we try to do our best that we can to fulfill all of that.
Yeah, and it's obviously it's quite tough for a channel of our size to.
But daily, so many videos, it is.
It's always more difficult. We don't really show it
we
in
don't
our
talk
reaction
about it
videos.
often. Yeah.
But it's a very serious problem. I'm sure channels which are smaller, or smaller as in
Yeah.
who are making fewer reactions per month, will definitely be affected a lot, because it's a huge wastage of time, effort, and everything else
Yeah.
that's involved in the process. Anyway, what about the
Now,
lyrics?
coming to the lyrics, I find the lyrics very good. Here are some people who are concerned about Annie. She's tired of life, she's lonely in life, and they are giving her hope that everything will be fine. You will be better. You will just wake up one day in a better place at a better time, and things will be all right. I only wish that more people who are willing to help one another were present in society, instead of being always self-centered and always greedy, always looking for their own benefit and agendas. I always feel, and it's a dream. I don't know whether it will come true or not. I can only what all I can do is work on it. I feel if I had the capacity to have, we call in Hindi ashram. That's where I think all this concept came of retreat centers and things like that, where I could invite a number of people, any number of people who were struggling with something or the other in life, and they could come probably free of cost, which is not practical. That's the reason why I know maybe it will never take off, these kind of plans. And those who are troubled in their life, those who are feeling hopeless, those who had suicidal thoughts and they didn't know what to do the next moment, they could come and we would have a program that could help
Yeah.
them.
As an experienced counselor, I will also add in my 2 pence to what you're saying. It reminds me of the movie Patch Adams, where he wanted to do a really good thing, and he had few volunteers, other
Yeah.
medical students
Yeah.
who also wanted to help him along the way. But whenever you try to do something like that, something really good,
Yeah.
there'll always be opposition from certain sections of society. As it happened in the movie Patch Adams, where
Yeah.
the character, the female actress, was killed
Yeah.
brutally by
By a
a
psycho.
psycho.
Yeah.
So you want to help them, you want to treat them, figure out what's wrong with them. But,
Yeah.
that's why things like that don't really take off.
Never exist.
And the suicide rates are pretty high in the last few years. In our country as well as in most of the West, it's pretty high. Many people, even if they're not committing suicide, many people are dying alone.
They are depressed as well. They
Lot
are
of
thinking
people-
constantly of
A
committing
lot
suicide.
of people are dying alone because of loneliness, because of other reasons, depression, stress, or just being isolated from everyone else. They have no friends, no real company. And, 1 in 4 people in certain countries, and certain countries which are quite populated, they die alone. So it's a huge statistic. It's a resounding, astounding fact. So yeah, hang in there. It's like the computer. In the good old days, they would say just restart the computer and all whatever problems you're having will get sorted out by
They still do
itself.
it with our
So
phones.
they've used a similar kind of technique in writing the song.
Yeah.
Just go to bed and tomorrow
Tomorrow.
everything will be fine. So it actually works,
It
many
works,
times
many times.
sleeping over it actually works. Either ways, I would also say meditate. One thing that always helps people who are in such a state, whether it's despair, stress, worry, fear, loneliness, isolation, deprivation, whatever is your reason or their reason, meditation is the best medicine. Anything to do with the mind, anything to do with the heart, meditation is the best medicine, and it's completely free.
It is.
That's it for this one.